Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This week it is a Troglodyte. It was primed in Desert Sands and I start off with Vallejo's blue-green for all of the skin, which is majority of this mini. This is going to be a short and sweet method for this one, but still good enough to get on the table to ruin the party. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can vote on video ideas or just share things you have been working on. I also stream on Twitch if you want to come and hang out. I stream on Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. With the bulk of the mini now base coated, I grabbed Glorious Gold to do those two anklets. For the axe handle, I used just dark flesh tone, just to give it that wood look without putting too much effort into it, as this is a speed paint sort of thing. Next up is the axe head and the base, using dark stone as the base colour. I want to get the wash on the skin done now so it can dry while I'm doing other parts. For this I use blue tone over everything, trying to get it a bit thicker around where those scales are to separate them a bit more later on. There is a bit of banding around the axe head where it meets the wood. I used elfic flesh for this part. I also base coat the eyes in this for later on. To make the axe head and the base look a bit more like weathered stone, I gave it a quick dry brush of cold grey. The cold grey is followed up by a lighter dry brush of stonewall grey, just to bring out those raised edges and have it look like it's freshly chipped away. The blue tone is still not fully dry, so I grabbed soft tone and done an all over wash on the axe, the anklets and the base. To bring out the eyes, I used moon yellow to get that piercing eye look. Finally, the blue tone is dry, so I come back in with blue green again to go over all of the parts of the skin that don't have scales. This will separate them a bit more on the model and make the scales pop without actually adding any extra work in or extra time. To finish up, I used black to do the eyes and the rim of the base. That will be it for the Troglodyte. This was a nice, simple and quick, which is probably the most important part, as you're going to have more than one of these to paint at a time. So you want to get it in and get it done quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can vote on video ideas or share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-Fi page. If you want to support the channel, check out my Ko-Fi page where you can drop a one-off tip just to help towards getting some new equipment to help improve this channel a bit more. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.